Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture I'm going to teach you this functionality here, that is accordion, and here is this is the accordion. It is just like a menu, or you can say that slide bar. Here you can say that when we take the mouse over one option, so it is open, and here is its text, and when we take it mouse again, so it is closed, and here you see it, and here you see that. So now I'm gonna build this functionality, and this is the previous file, and the div already made it. This div is already present, and this is the document ready, you have already known. And now I'm going to execute this file. Here is this, and now here is, and first of all I'm gonna build all of this thing. What we need to do, this black border is a div, and in that div we have another div, and in that div this is the heading, and this is the text inside the div, and this is the heading, first, second, third. And first of all I'm gonna code the HTML. Here is, this is the div, here is accordion, accord, and in that div here is, I'm gonna give it ID menu, and here is h3, and here is h3, here is first, and here is div, and now here is, and now here is, I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna create other options, and here is this and this. So now here I will change the text, and here is second, and here is third. And here is, let's render it, so it look like this. This is the heading, here is its div, this is the heading, its div, and when we apply the accordion, so it will be completed. So here we have already included this CSS file. This is CSS file to apply this is must to apply the accordion. And first of all, here this is the external div. I'm gonna give the style to this div, and we have to give the style to its ID. Don't write the div, so the style will apply on all the jQuery divs that is generated by the jQuery. And here is the height is, here is 300 pixel, and then here is the border of this div, here is solid, and here is hash. And now let's reload it. So now here it is inside the div, and now I'm gonna apply the accordion on this menu. Here is menu div, here is menu dot accordion, and this, and now it is going to apply, and here it is apply. You can see that, but it is little bit different when we click on it, so then it will be open and close. Here you see that it is not going down towards, it's not cover all the height like this. Here you can see that it is covering all the height, and here you see that. And now let's apply these things. First of all, it will cover all the height. Here is hover, height, here is height, and here is style. here is height style fill, and now here is there is a problem. Yes, this is the problem. There is no semicolon, and now here you see that now it is covering full height. Here you see that here is the full height when we have not applied this attribute. So then look at it. Here you see that it is present only here. The div have just this area, this necessary area. Then if we apply the height style fill, then this it will cover full area. And after it, here is icons. Here is icons. And now I'm gonna change the icons. Here is the file is closed. What the heck is this? I hate this thing. And now here you see that here are the plus and minus icons. This is the my plus and minus when open. So we can apply these icons. Here is this, and in the icons, first of all, I'm gonna apply the icons when there is a normal header, when it is not open. At this time, here is the when it is closed, so here is the arrow, and when it is open, so here is the downside arrow. First I will change this to the, we can apply many icons. Here you see that I'm gonna change it to the plus sign. So how we can do it? Here is the header, and here is UI. We have to type UI icon. UI means user interface, and here is plus. And now let's look at it. So now all icons are changed to the plus that are closed. Here you see that when it is closed, so it is plussed. All icons are plussed, plus sign. And when here, now I'm gonna apply when it is open. And I will tell you about other icons. There are many icons, and I will tell you about these icons. Here is active header, and here is this, and here is UI icon, here is minus, and now those that are open, those options that are open have the minus sign. Here you can see that. So now at the end I will tell you about other icons. And now the next thing that I want to tell you is you can also apply, here is outside the icon, you can also apply these things that are when we take the mouse over it, so it is open, and when we take the mouse over again, so it is closed. So that is the event. Here is the mouse over, here is the mouse over, and now here is when I take the mouse over it, so it is open, and when I take the again mouse over it, so it is not closed. That is another property. Here you see that on which I take the mouse, it is open, and when I take the mouse again, so it is closed. That is the collapsible property. Here is the collapsible, here is, and here it is, its value is true. Now here refresh it, and here it is open, and when I take the mouse again, so it is closed. Open, when I take the mouse over again, close. And so now you can also apply this, but now I'm going to tell you about the different icons that you are able to use here. Here is, you have to write here is user interface icons. You have to write in the Google user interface icons, and here is press again. So now here is, I have type UI user interface icons, and here you see that there is the link API jQueryUI.com, so it is open, And here you see that this is the jQuery user interface website. And now here you can see that these are the different icons and their code is here. And here you see that these are the different icons. There are many icons, and you can see that what icon we have applied, plus and minus. So plus and minus, there are many icons, so I can't find them. And now I'm going to apply this icon, user interface icon heart. So what we need to do, we just need to paste the heart at the place of this is the we have applied, this is the icons, plus and minus. So now here I'm gonna apply this heart. So from this you can copy the code and you can apply the icons you want. And here is when the options are closed, so here is the heart will be applied. So code is in front of you, and you can apply. Here you see that heart is applied when these options are open. So in this way you have to search it, whatever icon you want to apply, you can apply it. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.